Okay, I want to show you what I've been doing on the CNC machine here. I've got a 500 milliwatt laser installed on the CNC, and I've also got the cutting motor, but I've got the laser on it right now. I built this little frame to hold 40 of these tiles, Scrabble tiles, and I've been making alphabet, sign language alphabet tiles for my wife. She's got several games, spelling games, to help teach students the sign language manual alphabet. And so you can see that the laser does a pretty good job. These are some rejects that I've got here that were burned a little hot or in the wrong place on the tray, but I wanted to show you some of the things that I have been doing. We use flavored water, and I made these little name tags. This was a sample. The name tag has a little chain that goes through the holes there, and here's some blank ones that I was going to put names on. And Denise wanted me to work with some bookmarks, and so we started with the I love you symbol in sign language and a Bible verse, and tried a couple of different ways to burn a heart. And the laser will burn all the way through and cut, as you can see, it cut these into little short pieces. But these are just some sample pieces that I had run on the laser CNC, and it'll even do, as you can see there, partial cuts, which is really a nice touch, a nice addition to the different options that are available. I printed a bunch of these for my daughter. She uses these as plants. This is bamboo, so it holds up in water, and I put the plant name on these, and she sticks them down into her plants. So anyway, here's the frame that holds 40 tiles, and then what I use is this software to I create these templates, and the CNC software then sends the information to the printer. The fan that you're hearing is an exhaust fan to exhaust the laser smoke out of the house. And there's a little tiny fan right up in there. It's kind of quiet, and you can hear it exhausting. Anyway, got lots and lots of work to do here. Lots of bookmarks to make. You can see them back there. And I've ordered 600 more tiles, so I've got a lot of work to do. I didn't have enough to fill out this entire rack, but I'm going to go ahead and print it anyway and get started on another set of letters here. What the students do with these letters is they'll take these letters and they have a certain number of letters, and they have to put them together to spell words. So they learn the alphabet, the manual alphabet, the hand sign language alphabet. So let's go ahead and start this to print. This is printing O through Y. The letter O, that's the letter. Sorry, let me get set here. That's the letter O in sign language. And you can see it has several O's in this game. There's the letter R. And it goes all the way down to Y, the letter Y. There are no Z's or X's in this game, so I didn't print any. But we're going to run short on this because I don't have enough tiles to fill this rack out. And so we'll just go with what we've got. It's going to start burning down here. It's going to start burning down here. Let me zoom out. I don't know why I was zoomed in. And so we'll see it start here. And let's see, it's going to start printing the letter Y's. But we'll just go ahead and let it burn. It's not going to burn well because it's not focused. It's focused on this surface, not this surface. So in any case, I think what I might do is just take these spares, flip them upside down, and put them in there so that it's got something to burn so you can see it actually burning. Okay, got the rack filled up. So let's, we need to set our 0 point down here in the corner of the rack. So let's do that. And then we'll start printing. I'm going to push a button to tell it to turn the laser on, and it blows out the camera. Actually, it's a super tiny point on the. Let me see if I can put this in front. See if this will help us at all. Yeah, there we go. Now you can see the point of the laser point. Okay. All right. So we're ready to print, and I'm going to come up here to the software, up here and hit play, or run program. Like I said, it's going to come over here, I think, and print the letter Y. Okay, it's not lined up correctly, so we're going to stop it. Look closely, and you can see that it's off center. So we're going to move the tray over about 2 or 3 millimeters. And we'll start it again. Start again from the beginning. And get the lens covered. Yeah, that's much better. It's not super fast. In fact, the software claims that it's going to take 28 minutes to print this way. And you can see where it is actually currently burning, going to the next letter. So anyway, I just wanted you to see the CNC working and some of the things that you can do with it. I have just really scratched the surface of things that can be done, and having a lot of fun. Let me know what you think. And oh, I forgot to tell you, I have actually done call signs on ham radio call signs, and then glued them to a frame. So I've got N4KRO. That's not the letters, but then and then I just give them to my ham radio friends. So I glue them to a popsicle stick or whatever, and they can put it up on their ham radio. So that's one of the things that I've been doing with little projects, giveaway projects for my ham radio friends. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. The software that I'm using is Laser GRBL, and it's free software.